This is News 14 Carolina Meteorologist Matthew East, and you have clicked on to this latest edition here of the Carolina weather video. This is the Friday edition for the 6th day of March, and we have undergone the big pattern change, and a milder air mass continues to flow on into our area, area of high pressure off the Atlantic coast, and that's giving us this broad southwesterly flow, and that is continuing to crank the temperatures upward. This is a look at the temps here this morning, the 5 o'clock hour when I'm cutting this video, and look at that. These are 5 a.m. temperatures. I see some 70s there in parts of Oklahoma, and even as far north as Michigan. We have mid to upper 50s this morning. So yeah, that milder air continues to develop and spread on in our direction. And as we go through the day today, it's going to be a very nice day. Sunshine through some high, thin cirrus clouds at times. Our high temperatures today topping out in the 60s, mid to upper 60s around the region. Some spots could even hit the lower 70s this afternoon. All right, 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, Saturday morning. Pretty quiet. 1 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, there's that high pressure north of the Bahamas. And again, that's just cranking the mild air in here. So we will see 70s for high temperatures tomorrow. I think highs tomorrow afternoon, mid, maybe some upper 70s. And as we look ahead now to Sunday, after the time change, that'll be 2 p.m. I think mid to even upper 70s a possibility. More sunshine tomorrow than what we'll see Sunday, but still both weekend days look really nice. Get out and enjoy that mild weather this weekend, because you know this time of year is probably not going to last too terribly long, and I don't think it will. I'll show you what happens here as we get into next week. This is 8 o'clock in the morning on a Monday. And let me go back real quick to Sunday. There's a low pressure and a cold front off to our west. By Monday, that front begins to drop into our area, and here we are at 8 p.m. Monday. And what we have basically is that frontal boundary that's stalled out. So I can't rule out some showers Monday, but I don't think that chance is a very significant chance of rain as of now. 1 o'clock, well, after the time change, it'll be 2 o'clock Tuesday afternoon. Next area of low pressure lifting up into the Midwest, and that front that had originally stalled out begins to lift northward as a warm front. So again, I can't rule out a shower chance Tuesday as that warm front lifts through. And then Wednesday, the cold front associated with that system moves in. So I have highlighted a pretty good chance of some showers Wednesday as the cold front moves through. Behind that cold front, there comes the cooler air returning to our region. Looks like we'll be back down to near below average temperatures by Thursday. And yeah, I see that on the GFS. It's been fairly persistent in bringing this next system in around next Friday. Low pressure along the Gulf, cold air damming east of the mountains and taking the GFS at verbatim. That is a wintry weather threat for the state of North Carolina on Friday. I'm not ready to commit to that yet, but I will say the European does have some cold air damming type of scenario shown on the end of the cycle there for the end of next week as well. But again, I'm certainly not ready to commit to any type of wintry weather potential, but I will say that it's something at least that bears somewhat keeping an eye on as we get toward the end of next week. But for the meantime, get out and enjoy the beautiful weather this weekend. Everyone have a great weekend, and next edition of the video should be on bright and early Monday morning. Everyone have a great weekend, and God bless.